This short video will use the row-reduced echelon form of a matrix to solve a system of equations. 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 2. X plus 2y minus z is equal to 6. Minus x minus y plus z is equal to negative 5. First, the system of linear equations will be put into an augmented matrix. You will do this by using the coefficient of each variable and the answer column to form the matrix. Next, the TI-8384 calculator will be used to solve the system of equations. To enter the augmented matrix into the calculator, click the second button, then Matrix, and move to Edit, then hit the Enter key. There are 3 rows and 4 columns in the matrix, so enter 3, Enter, and 4, Enter. Next, enter the coefficients of each equation into the matrix. After the numbers are entered into the matrix, hit the second button, then the Quit button to return to the beginning. Then click the second button, then Matrix. Move to Math and select RREF, Row Reduced Echelon Form. Then hit the Enter key. Hit the second key and Matrix, and hit the Enter key twice to get the row reduced echelon form of matrix A. The solution of the system of equations will be the rightmost column, and the 1 in each of the columns will determine the variable. X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 1, and Z is equal to negative 1.